Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Pinky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use, I hope I know how to use this product. This is a face mask by Laneige, and it's interesting because this face mask is two-tone. So one is lifting and moisturizing. So I'm gonna try this. So if you will notice in the packaging, I think there are two masks, two separate masks. So let's open it. Let's start with the moisturizing. So it's a blue mask, and look, okay, so we will remove this. Of course we won't use this. And so the moisturizing is for the upper portion of the face. Okay, so it really feels moisturizing. It feels creamy. Feels good, and I think there's some residue. I hope I'll apply that. Get the most out of this mask. And now we will open the lower portion, which is the lifting mask. I think it also looks something like the upper mask, but this time it's white. So there's also a plastic. It's Of course, we're not gonna use this. Keep it. And the lower portion is, or the lifting mask is for the lower portion of the face. Let's see. It also feels creamy. Parang the mask is thick, and let's also try to get some residue. Actually, there's not so many, but you can get some and apply it on your neck, and then leave it on for, usually it's 30 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes, and I'm gonna see if I can get some more. Yeah, there's no more from the mask. So this is it. I've already used it up, and I'm just gonna wait, and I'll come back later and show you or share with you how it feels. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and now I have to remove the mask. Okay. I'm not sure if I felt the lifting effect. Maybe a little bit. It feels firmer on this portion. And but anyway, I have to sleep for now, and tomorrow we'll see the effect. Usually when I put on a mask, when I wake up, my skin is glowing. So I'm excited to wake up tomorrow. So I'll come back and share with you how it feels tomorrow when I wake up. Okay? Good morning! So this is my look after the day after I put on the two-tone mask, and just like other masks that I use, so the following day when I wake up, my skin is glowing. So I like it, but I don't feel any difference with the other masks that I'm using. I think it's just like any other mask, except that yun nga, while I was wearing it last night, it feels a little firmer on the lower portion, but it's not you don't feel a significant lift on the face, unlike when you put on the egg mask on your face. You really feel that the skin is lifting. So this one, it doesn't feel that way, but it still feels good like other masks that you use when you put it on your face. So do I like it? Yes, I like it. I like the way it feels when it's on my face. And do I recommend it? I think so. Yeah, I recommend that you also try it kasi nakaka-curious. That's why I tried it, and I like it. So it's worth trying the Laneige two-tone mask. So that's my review of that mask, and if you want to buy it, then go ahead, try it. And thank you for watching this video, and sorry for my voice, kagigising ko lang eh. Bye.